Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about rational expressions. This maths is intended to the grade 8 students and students who are majoring in mathematics in college. So I have here number 1, 5 plus x over 30 plus x minus x squared times x squared minus 4x over x squared and divide by x squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 9. As we notice for these terms, we have trinomials and then difference of two squares. So we need to factor out this one and this one. Okay, so first thing to do is arrange. It should be x plus 5. Then arrange also the denominator. It should be negative x squared followed by x and then plus 30. Then copy the operation. Then factor the numerator. X minus 4. This will be x squared. Then change the operation to multiplication, then upside down. So this will be x squared minus 9 over x squared minus x minus 12. Again, copy this one, x plus 5. Then factor the negative sign. This will be minus x squared minus x minus 30 times. So this will be x minus 4, x squared. Then I need to factor this one because this is difference of two squares. It should be x squared minus 3 squared is equal to x plus 3 and then x minus 3. So for the numerator, factors are x plus 3 and then x minus 3. How about the denominator? So this will be x minus 4 and then this will be x plus 3. Then need to factor out this one. So this will be, maybe I will erase at the top. So this will be x plus 5. So minus, factor this one. It should be x minus 6. Then x plus 5 times x minus 4 over x squared. Then times, copy this one, x plus 3, x minus 3 over x minus 4, and then x plus 3. So this will be cross out. X minus 4 cross out. 1 of x squared will be cross out, x. So I have x in here. Then x plus 5 cross out. So for the numerator, I have x minus 3, then minus, this will be x, and then x minus 6. So this is my final answer, and that's all.